Are you looking for the best power edgers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best power edgers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Worx WG896 12-amp 7.5-inch electric lawn edger and trencher. The Worx WG896 12-amp 7.5-inch electric lawn edger and trencher is a powerful and efficient tool for creating professional-looking lines and edges. It features 3 depth adjustments, a cutting line indicator, an adjustable shaft, and a 12-amp motor that spins the 7.5-inch blade at 4,700 revolutions per minute. With its easy assembly and adjustable handle, this edger is perfect for users of any height. What we like: electric power source, easy to use, durable design, effective trimming, affordable price. What we don't like: tethered to outlet, limited trench depth. Number 2. Greenworks 8-inch brushless edger. The Greenworks 40V 8-inch brushless edger is a lightweight and easy-to-use tool that provides up to 60 minutes of runtime on a fully charged 4.0Ah battery. It features an 8-inch edger blade with a curbed wheel for perfect edging every time, a brushless motor for more torque and quiet operation, and a tool-less depth adjustment for added control. This edger is virtually maintenance-free, with no gas, no oil, and no emissions. What we like: same battery as mower, easy assembly, powerful performance, lightweight and maneuverable, good battery life. What we don't like: can be heavy for extended use, may require multiple battery types. Number 3. Craftsman 20V Max Edger. The Craftsman 20V Max Edger is a powerful cordless lawn edger with a 2.0Ah battery designed to deliver dependable performance. It features a lightweight 8 pounds design that allows for seamless mobility and an integrated edge guide for a smooth cut along sidewalks and driveways. The edger is also compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system, sold separately. What we like: lightweight and easy to use, cost-effective compared to gas edgers, good for small to medium yards, compatible with Craftsman batteries, professional-looking results. What we don't like: battery life can be short, limited power for larger jobs. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 string trimmer / edger and trencher. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 string trimmer / edger and trencher is a high-torque, 12-amp electric edger and trencher that easily converts from edger to trencher in seconds. It features 3-position blade depth adjustments and pull-up edge guide for maximum control, and a 7/1/2-in blade with 3/16-inch thickness for a range of tasks. Customers have praised its easy operation, versatility, and power, though some have noted that the blade can come loose and the product is not suitable for the UK or Irish market. What we like: powerful performance, easy to assemble, effective edging, lightweight design, good value for price. What we don't like: blade loosening issue, customer service response delay. Number 5. Earthquake 4127 379 cubic centimeters edger. The Earthquake edger is designed to make your lawn and garden tasks easier and more precise. With a powerful 79 cubic centimeters Viper engine, you can achieve fast and efficient edging at 3,400 RPMs, perfect for trimming grass along sidewalks and driveways. The multi-position pivoting head allows you to select from 5 cutting angles, ensuring you can tackle any type of grass with ease. You'll appreciate the flexibility of the depth control, which lets you adjust your cutting depth from 0.5 to 3.5 inches for tailored results. This tool is not only effective but also equipped with safety features like a debris guard for your protection. What we like: powerful performance, comfortable handle design, easy assembly, quick start, good value for money. What we don't like: heavy for smaller users. Assembly instructions could improve.